Is it a glitch, or is the price of XRP, which is currently $67,720, a real phenomenon? Is it a fake, or is it a genuine thing? Suppose China were to decide to once again permit the use of cryptocurrencies, what would happen to XRP? We wish you a pleasant morning, you wealthy individuals. XRP is going to be the topic of discussion today. Everything I want is for you to give me a nice grin for the purpose of spreading positive energy toward XRP. Please click the like button. There is no way to determine if it will cause the price of XRP to increase or decrease, yet we do not wish to take that risk. It is for this reason that we need to click the like button. Let us now get started. The value of XRP has increased by 3.87% so far today. In the present moment, the price of XRP is 0.5849, 58 cents, 48 tenths of a cent, and 800 TSS of a cent are also included in this total. At this very moment, it is clear that XRP has returned to the region. If you recall correctly, there was a brief pop-up that occurred the day before, right? In the beginning, a large number of people purchased XRP, but its value soon decreased after that. What a lightning fast pace. Once more, the price of XRP saw an increase. After that, with the trading week coming to a close, the value of XRP and the rest of the cryptocurrency market began to decline. At the end of the day, it wasn't simply XRP. Following the introduction of Bitcoin, the price of all cryptocurrencies fell. That experienced a decline in value as the crypto week came to a close. My blood is starting to come out. It was at that time that the weekly candle and the daily candle resumed their operations. Compared to that low point, we have increased by 4% since then. And according to the majority of the cryptocurrencies that I am tracking on TradingView, this is the best dog or the best cryptocurrency right now when we consider the day a whole. It is not at the top since there is a polygon that is located a little bit above the stat. Ton, Die, and DX, the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are the ones that are present on the day of the move. That's not too awful for XRP in this situation. Now, the issue that needs to be answered is whether or not XRP will be able to recover from the slump that it has been in ever since the news broke and the initial price increase. You are aware that we have had that ever since then. The bullish pendants, it broke out of that touch support again, or the support zone, and it has been heading up ever since then. However, you can see that it had a significant rise yesterday. At this point, it is possible that it will be able to break out of this zone where XRP has been consolidating and return to those levels of 60 cents. Alternatively, if it gets above that, it may return to the resistance level at 60 cents. The number 65 is one that I will be keeping an eye on for XRP over the next few days, and if we are able to achieve it, I will be concerned. With regard to XRP, the current position is one that is quite interesting. The cryptocurrency market had a somewhat difficult week the week before last. It is possible that the market as a whole may have some improvement this week, and we will look forward to seeing where XRP and the rest of the market can go. For now, something. There are blockchain-related accounts that are discussing the possibility of China lifting its ban on cryptocurrency. Justin Sun, who was the first person we discussed, has a following of 3.5 million people on social media in the United States. Additionally, Altcoin Daily tweeted on this topic, Bitcoin will no longer be prohibited in China. Over the course of the past several weeks, I have seen a number of tweets about China lifting its ban on cryptocurrencies. How many of them concluded with the phrase, it's just a rumor, right? On and on, talk. As a result of their signature on a bill, they have said that they will resume mining cryptocurrencies. It would appear that these nations are a little concerned that if Trump is elected president, he will invest a significant amount of money in cryptocurrency, which might cause them to lose the race they do not want to lose to the United States of America. Additionally, it is probable that they will bring back the mining of cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, I don't believe that they will be able to resume regular trade. Is that correct? As a result, I am unsure of the extent to which it will alter the situation. It is possible that it is related to XRP in particular, given that I do not believe that they are simply allowing Chinese individuals to hold cryptocurrency once more. Is that correct? It would appear that mining for Bitcoin will resume, which might be beneficial for both Bitcoin and the market as a whole. On the other hand, I am unsure of the extent to which that will affect the price of XRP. It will be fascinating to observe whether or not they do. Mining cryptocurrencies ought to be made legal, and this might potentially lead to the complete legalization of cryptocurrency possession. It is not anything I believe. There is a good chance that they will produce their very own CBDC. They want to take control of the money that belongs to the Chinese people, but I don't think they will give them complete permission to do so. Hong Kong is one of our territories, however, it is a bit of a gap for the... I had the impression that Japan had a strong preference for XRP. It goes without saying that we also want XRP to be well known in China. There are 1.5 billion people living in China, of course. Naturally, we would like for each and every one of them to have the opportunity to invest in XRP if they so desired. However, they will not be able to accomplish that at this time unless they engage in some back channel or backway activities. In light of this, it will be fascinating to observe what happens to XRP tonight. Is XRP poised to see its most impressive day to date? There has been a breakthrough in the history of prices. To answer that question, yes, within the confines of this circle, we are discussing how it continues to get more powerful. There have been two different outcomes that could have occurred in the past whenever there was a split like this one. Either it breaks down or it causes it to break up. And of course, those individuals who are in favor of XRP, right, would love for XRP to make a breakthrough and go up, perhaps crossing the $1 threshold, then the $2 threshold, and so on. Despite this, you are able to see the huge one here. I am able to draw it on my own, right? Let's try to draw it. Is that correct? Like this and that? Given that it appears to be a breakout at the moment, the issue that needs to be asked is what will happen if we break in naturally? I am not a good attraction in such situation. Nevertheless, we are aware that the market may shift or that events may take place. Something catastrophic is going to take place. Does this mark the beginning of a significant breakthrough for XRP in no uncertain terms? On July 23rd, however, when the news of it was first reported, it was quite close to that line. Despite the fact that the court case was made public, XRP was still unable to break out. The issue that needs to be asked now is it possible for it to break out now? Quite a few factors are involved. Yesterday evening, I filmed a movie in which I invested all of my money in XRP coin. I will include a link to that at the conclusion of this movie in case you're interested in it. Despite this, it is still possible to make money in the near run given the current state of the cryptocurrency market. Those that are interested can go long or short with our partner Margex, who will allow you to do either. Pressure. If you are interested in doing so, if you are trading, please exercise caution. The link to the article can be found below. In addition to assisting me in making a lot of money, it has also caused me to lose a lot of money. It correct that I now hold a tiny holding in XRP, right? Working out a bargain. May I have it, please? Now let's get going. Just a moment ago, it was open for business. Permit me to observe what transpires. I have a stop loss in place for myself, if it is. As long as it does not catch on the support and bounce off of it, as a last resort, I have the ability to put a stop to free commerce. With that being said, it will be fascinating to observe what transpires. As for me, I too noticed this article on Twitter, and you ought to use caution when dealing with matters of this nature. There was a recent increase in the price of XRP to $67,000 in a significant market in South Korea. Yes, you read that correctly. The actual price of XRP is $67,000. In the first place, bugs are something that can occur at any time. You have the ability to alter the numbers displayed on the screen at any time. Am I allowed to go and take a look at it? I also